Hey, what do you think about it, huh? We never been to this creek before. We never been here before. You ready to go explore? Huh? You ready? You ready? No. Calm down, hold on. I gotta get everything ready. What is going on, everyone? Today, we are doing some creek fishing, and I'm at a new creek that I've never been to before. And actually, me and Courtney are gonna be moving here soon. We're moving to a little town outside of Carthage, Tennessee. We've been living in Hendersonville for the last couple years, and this creek is actually gonna be right down the road from me. I'm gonna be a lot closer to Caney Fork River. I'm gonna be literally, the property is actually on Cordell Hole, and I'm gonna be closer to Del Hollow and a bunch of other places. But anyway, I'm up here in the area today looking for a storage unit for my boat and some stuff. And yeah, we're gonna check this creek out and try to catch some smallmouth, because you know, this creek feeds into the Cumberland River. So in theory here, there should be some really nice smallmouth in it. So we're probably gonna start off with like a bull shad or a bullgill and see if we can draw some of these bigger fish out. I've got a couple jigs and some stuff. But this is what we're gonna be using today. Dobyns Champion 734 with a Curado 70 XG 12-pound line. I've got the bullgill tied on right now, and that's what we're gonna rock with. We're gonna rock and roll with it. So yeah, we're gonna get down here, start fishing, try to explore a new creek. Come on, bud. Bo, come on. Bo, come on. Come on, bud. Come on. Look at you. Now you're soaked. Oh, man. All right, buddy. I'm probably going to walk up a little bit further, and then we can turn back around. Okay. You made it up there. I guess I can make it up there too, right? All right, this is another section of the creek, and Bo's already livid that I'm leaving him. But this is another section of the creek, a little bit further downstream. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to access it, but we're gonna try. Oh yeah, there's no way. Well, actually, I don't know. Let's see here. We're gonna try. We're gonna try. Yeah, we should be able. Yeah, oh yeah, we're good. Little sketch, but a little sketch is fine. I've been on way sketchier creek fishing adventures with John from Creek Fishing Adventures. So, if John were here, he would say, "Go for it." All right, let's try a jig. That's a good thing about this Dobyns rod. This 734 is extremely versatile. So, not a lot of rods you can throw a freaking bull shad on and then turn around and, you know, throw a freaking jig on too. So, great rod. I like it a lot. Oh my God, that's a ginormous bass. Oh my God. Now how in the hell do you get down here? Oh, is that it? Oh yes. Looks like a little path. Heck yes. All right, giants are about to be caught, folks. Oh man, that was a huge bass. There's some big fish in this creek. This is insane. All right, I came back to this spot because I tied on the micro jig and I don't know, I drove up a little bit and this spot right here is just so promising, man. So climb back down here again and see what happens. Actually, I'm gonna cast from up here just to see if I get any interest. If I hook a fish up here, that's gonna kind of suck, but I'll just go ahead and start climbing down as I'm fishing. Oh, look at that freaking rock bass. That is a giant. And he's so dark. Look at that. All right. Well, that was already worth coming back for. Heck yeah, man. That's a good fish. All right, look at that, guys. That is a beautiful little rock bass. There he goes. All right, well, that was worth it. Oh my gosh, that's a good bass. That's a freaking good bass. Oh, it's a drum. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Are you freaking kidding me right now? The one place I go to try to get away from drum, and I catch one in a dadgum creek. Are you kidding me? I can already see the comment. I can already see the comment about the drum. Already thinking about it. Well, there we go. That one was for you, Jeff. Jeff Hawkins. That man is always commenting on my videos, talking about drum. So, shout out to Jeff Hawkins. I don't know what that is. Please don't be a drum. Please don't be a drum. Oh, please don't be a drum. Oh my gosh, it's a drum. Oh man. Oh man, he got me up underneath some rock and frayed my line, didn't he? Well, that sucks. I gotta retie, I think. All right, lost my jig. Oh, good Lord. All right, back down here at the creek. Had to grab a bite to eat and went up there to the property and checked some things out. So yeah, we're back down here at the same exact creek, and I'm gonna go for these fish again because there's a few really nice largemouth down here, and maybe a couple spotted bass mixed in there too. But we're gonna go for these same fish again and go with some different baits. Got a little Ned rig tied on with a little Shockwave, and yeah, we're just gonna chuck some baits and see if we can fool some fish. So yeah, let's get to it. See, now if I had my resin bull shed, I'd already caught every fish in here. All right, I've lost a lot of freaking lures already. So I'd prefer not to lose this one too. This is the last thing I'm tying on. And then I'm hitting the road, Jack, because I am not losing anymore. Sun's going down, the bugs are coming out, and yeah. So use super bug on the back of this little I thought this was a mini flip jig, but I think it's from Dirty Jigs, maybe. Not sure, because the color is not a missile color. Looks very similar to the flip out though. Just a small little flipping jig. A lot of people would probably not throw this in the creek, but it's what I had in my pocket, so we're gonna roll with it. Oh man, that's a giant bass. Oh my gosh. This is him. This is the one. This is the one. This is the one, baby. Oh my gosh. This is the one. Oh my gosh. 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 Oh, this is the one that I saw earlier today. This is the one. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Look at that fish. That is a freaking giant. Oh man. Look at this fish, guys. This is an insane creek fish. I saw this fish earlier today and he wouldn't commit to anything. So I came back with a jig, and sun's setting right now, and this was the fish I wanted to catch. Look at this thing. I can't tell, it might be a spotted bass, but we're gonna get a release on this girl. This is a big creek fish, and this is my first time coming down to this creek. I'm actually gonna be moving out here, so this is pretty freaking awesome. Again, just a gorgeous fish, and she crushed the jig. She absolutely crushed the jig. So we're gonna get a release on her and let her get back down there. Look at that fish, y'all. That's a beautiful fish. Well, there she goes. She's kind of confused. Get out of here, baby. Oh man, what a crazy freaking way to end a day. That was just like nuts. There we go. There we go. Oh man, that was awesome. Pretty sure he hit it and then came back and hit it again, because I was just watching my line move and I couldn't figure out what was going on. Oh, all right. Well, I guess we're not done here. Caught that really good fish, and I was gonna call it on that fish, but figured I'd make at least a couple more casts, because I did see a few really, really nice fish. That was the big one. That was the big one that I'd seen earlier. But there's a couple nice fish in this little hole, and oh! Just broke off. Just broke off. What in the world was that? What? What was that? Oh my God. That was either a catfish or daggum. Let's see what we got here. I don't even know if I have any more lures in my pocket. That might be it, y'all. That might be it for the day. Hold on. Oh no, man. That was another drum, I think. I think I just broke off on another drum. Now, all right, you know what? I think we should just call it on that note. All right, guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. Thank y'all for watching. Obviously that was a great fish at the end there. I think I was throwing like a 3/8 ounce jig, which is a little bit heavy for a creek, but I just stuffed a bunch of stuff in my pocket, so and I lost half the stuff. I lost everything that was in my pocket other than the little bull shad. So it was really awesome to get that fish at the end there, because I had seen that fish earlier in the day. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank y'all for watching. And like I said, me and Courtney are gonna be moving into that area. So the next video you're gonna see might even be just a tour of our new place. So hope you guys are looking forward to it, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.